In today's video, I'll show you how to make $10 per minute by simply watching videos, which is one of the simplest way to make money online. The first step is to watch the video, and the second step to give at least 60 seconds of your time. The third step to cash out your earnings. That's all, there is it. Today I will show you the single most effective website for making money online by simply watching videos. This website is available from anywhere in the world and is entirely free to use. Now before I go on to explain how to do this, I want you to type where you are from, and I would like to leave a comment down below. That way I'll be able to pinpoint your country, so that in the future I can be certain that every video I release is intended for you. So please leave the name of your country in the comments down below. Also don't forget that I'll providing you special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple what other people are earning. So make sure you stick around and keep watching until the very end. This will be the simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money online rapidly with the best platform in the online. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the full video. Now without any further delay, let's get it started. Okay, now first I'd like you to go to this website, and don't worry, I'll share the secure link with you in a bite, so stay tuned. This website is completely free, secure and legitimate. As you can see, you can earn money by simply completing surveys, watching videos and TV shows. However, for the purpose of this video, we'll just concentrate on watching videos, because it's something that you already do every day anyway, and it pays the most amount of money for the least amount of effort. So go ahead and click on the watching TV option. Now allow me to explain to how this website works. Step 1. Create a free account on this website. Step 2. Select a channel that interested you. After that, start watching TV shows and videos. After watching these videos, points will be credited to your account. You may also keep an eye out for more earnings by switching between different channels. And finally, exchange your points for cash or gift cards. It's just that easy. So make sure you watch the full video all the way through to properly understand how to do this. As previously mentioned, the first step is to create a free account on this website. To do so, go to the page homepage and enter your email address and create a password. Just click the sign up button. You can also use your Facebook or Google account to sign up and easier experience. Now once you log in into your account, you can check how much money you make in this website. You can see that people have made anything from $200 to $500. These individuals are all earning on this website by watching videos, completing surveys or doing nothing. The best part is that there are a large number of videos available there, and all of those videos reset every day, which means that there's endless opportunity for you to earn money here just by watching videos. So to get started, click watch on the left hand side. After that, you will see these boxes with the words Hideout TV and Lotabi on them, and if you hover your cursor over them, you will see their offer details. Next, select Lotabi by clicking the start button. You will then be taken on the page where you can select this video category. If you have the option of selecting from categories of food, dye or random videos, on the right hand side you can see how many points you can earn on the respective categories. If you selected food, for example, I'll be taken on this website. You will need to sign up for a free account to proceed, as you can see right here. To do so, enter your email address, create a password and just click sign up. After creating a Lootable account, you'll be brought to this page where you can watch all of the videos, and this website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. Now if I click on this right here, for example, I'll be taken to another page where I will have to watch the videos for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. Now as I said earlier, I am going to give you a bonus tips on how to maximize your income. Now you can watch many videos as you like on different tabs on the same time. That way you will be able to watch a lot of videos while doing other things. With that, you will be able to earn the most amount of money in the least amount of time and effort. You can watch more videos by clicking all of these videos on the right hand side. Another bonus tips I have is to lower the video quality by clicking the video settings. If you would like to save data, and you can set it to lowest video quality possible, so you will be able to watch as many 60-second videos as possible while earning as much money as possible as well. These bonus tips are quite effective and you can use them right away to double or triple or quadruple your earning in a single day on this website. Now that you know how to make money on zoombox.com by just watching videos, and yes, Zoombox.com is the website offer a special tool of this day. I would like to show you another way to make money online with this site, and that is by filling surveys. On the left hand side of your Zoombox dashboard, you should see surveys which you can click. By doing so, you will be presented with a list of companies that offers you simple surveys to complete. Each survey will pay you 85 cents, 60 cents, $10, $3 and $5 or much more as shown here. Simply click on the company that offer you most amount of money. After then, follow the same steps as before. Simply create a free account for the company of your choice and being taking as many surveys as you like. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. We upload a new video every single day, and all you got to do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with your friends, leave a comment down below. See you in the next video. Have a nice time. Bye.